What's up, guys? Welcome back to the mini-series How to Create Content. I am the Loccust, and this is part 4, the final part. Let's get into it. Before we get into the video, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications just so that you don't miss any videos that are going to be coming out. If you guys would like to see my Instagram, I will leave a link in the description, as well as my Twitch. I stream every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. If you guys want to see Just Chat, leave a comment down below and I'll get on top of that. Link in the description. Let's get into the video, guys. Now, when we left off on part 3, we just finished uploading the video. And so this one's going to be mainly focused on the last stage of filming, which is when everything is uploaded, you've edited, you've thought about your idea, you have it done, and it is public. This is where you're going to basically get it out to the world, and that's what this video is going to be covering. Now, once this video is published, this is where you're going to get into marketing. Now, with marketing, you're going to have social media and word of mouth, guerrilla marketing. So with this, essentially you're just going to put out your video as much as you possibly can to as many places as you possibly can. So I will show you guys exactly how I do it for me, and then you guys can just go off of that for yourself. So what I do is I will first go to Facebook, and with this I'll put it on my story as well as my newsfeed, and I'll just say, check out my new video. Interested in creating your own content. Put a little question there and then drop the link. And what it'll do is it'll put the video link right here. You copy all of that right there and then post it. And so what I do is I go into groups. I will go into just all these different groups that I have set up for on Facebook. I'll just find, you know, different groups to add myself to, and just kind of go down the line and start putting them on all of them. And this might seem a little over the top, but your goal is to get your content out there. And if they don't want to see your content, then they just won't click on the link. But for the people that do, you know, it's a great way to find you. It's a great way for them to know that you even put something out. Because, I mean, if they don't know, how are they going to find you besides scrolling through YouTube? It's just, marketing is definitely a great way to get your stuff out there, and I would definitely suggest doing that. So I'm going to go through my groups and I will be right back. So now that it's all over YouTube, you can go to Twitter. You can push that out there as well. Tweet it out. You can even go to Reddit and kind of create your own post. Just as many places as you can think. And then once that is all done, this is where you're going to want to take your thumbnail and send it to yourself. So you'll end up going to your email, find your email on your computer. I know you guys can't see this right now, but we will get to that. And email it to yourself. And the reason why I say that is because your phone is another great way to market. With this, you'll get that email. What you'll do is you'll go into your email and you will save this thumbnail to your phone. So download that. That way you have it. And now you can go into, let's say, Instagram. And post something about that. Say kind of the exact same thing. New video up. Go check it out. Are you interested in creating your own content? Question mark. And then this is where you're going to put hashtags. So you're just going to hashtag like crazy. And then you'll go down to the bottom. You'll click Facebook. If you have a business Facebook page, it'll put it to there. And then also Twitter, you can do it again with those hashtags. You'll share it. And then you can also put it onto your story as well. So like I'm saying, just everywhere. New video up. Link in bio. And then you'll just send that to your Instagram story. Another place that you can do this is Snapchat. And with Snapchat, you can actually put the link to your video. So if you go into your video, man, I know you guys can't see, but you go into your video, go to your channel, click on the newest video, click share, and then copy the link. And so now that you have the link to that, you can actually go into Snapchat, go down here, click on the picture, go up here to the very top, these three buttons, and click edit snap. Now if you go over here to this little paperclip, you click that and you put the URL, paste it right there, right? And then click search. It will go to your video, make sure it's your video, and click attach to snap. So now anytime that they swipe up, they will go to your video. So now you can click or type in new video up. Make it maybe bold text, and then say swipe up. Yeah, pretty simple. You got that. Swipe up, they'll swipe up. You go to your story and just add it to your story. Now at this point, you can go through and actually create another one, or just go through your like groups that you have on Snapchat and paste your link to those groups. And what it'll do is it will create just a little link for them to open if they would like and check out your videos. Pretty simple, guys. Let's get into one last thing that you guys can do. Now, if you have Discord, you'll go into Discord, you'll go down and just start posting what you had, and it'll create this little link. So you'll just go through, and yes, it might be annoying to some people, but other people will watch your video. And if they don't, and they kick you out of the Discord channel, find other Discord channels and you'll be fine. Another way that you can do or market your videos is with business cards. Just word of mouth, like I said, guerrilla marketing. Just strictly word of mouth. You can put your business cards at local businesses, or if you work somewhere with people, customers, you can hand out your business cards. Just be careful and make sure it's okay with your boss and stuff like that. If not, whatever. But yeah, just send your stuff around. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked this mini series, let me know in the comments down below. If you didn't, let me know why. Let me know what I can do to fix these mini series, because I have a lot of fun with them, and I think that they, can be beneficial for some people. If you like my channel, definitely subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications, just so you don't miss any videos coming up. I do put out content every Tuesday, but lately I haven't had, I've had a lot of time on my hands, so I'm just creating content as quickly as I possibly can. If you want to check out my Instagram, link's going to be in the description. If you want to check out my Twitch, link is also in the description. I will see you guys next time.